Many, if not all businesses, strive to grow their business. Microsoft Dynamics NAV is a very flexible system that fits your growing needs, allowing you to add functionality and capabilities as the needs arrive. Also, more employees mean different kinds of needs and different scenarios for use of the system. And Microsoft Dynamics NAV also supports that with different user experience for different needs and devices. For the traditional ERP user, we have the Windows client. It has a user experience very similar to Microsoft Office, with the vividness and capability that Windows user experience provides. The Windows client looks and feels like Microsoft Office, making it easy to learn, use, and master. The information I need is surfaced in the Role Center, so I don't have to drill into the system to get an overview of tasks. It is also possible to get access to the full Microsoft Dynamics NAV experience using a web browser. The user experience is very much the same, so it is still targeted user of a business solution. However, it is accessible with no installation inside via multiple types of browsers and devices, including Android and Apple. While the first two clients focus on more traditional users, we have created an experience for self-service applications such as timesheet entry, the SharePoint client. We see Microsoft SharePoint being utilized in many organizations today for document sharing and intranet usage. With the SharePoint client, employees can update their personal information directly inside Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Any information entered in SharePoint is validated and saved directly into Microsoft Dynamics NAV. With the SharePoint client as a platform for self-service, the data entered can be used directly in Microsoft Dynamics NAV with no need to have third-party applications and integration scenarios. The Microsoft SharePoint experience can also be extended to outside your organization. If you look at the three clients that I just talked about, there's a client for every need. The Windows client is for the core ERP user who require richness and the vividness that the Windows experience provides you. You get the full Microsoft Dynamics NAV application with the shortcuts and vividness a heads-down user requires. The web client provides the full product via web browser. It's still an ERP user interface. However, you can now get access through multiple devices with no installation at all. The SharePoint client is primarily targeted towards light or occasional ERP users with no need for a full ERP application. Again, you can use it for self-service applications and collaboration experiences with data that includes NAV data, or you actually can integrate both data from a SharePoint or the internet for that matter with data from NAV. This is where you can reach more users than you traditionally reach with an ERP application, providing enhanced business productivity throughout the organization, or even to partners and customers using Microsoft SharePoint. The choice is yours. All the clients run the same code, so there is no additional consultant work needed to extend functionality to the web client or the SharePoint client. With Microsoft Dynamics NAV, we have different user experience fitting the users of your organization as your business grows.